Okay, it's 27th of June, and we are just starting the month in terms of what we need to do for next month. I've just given you targets also. We had some discussions on 25th on this. See, this meeting we are going to do will comprise of two parts. Okay, part one is a smaller part which talks about something which I thought you guys should know. Part two is about your careers. Okay, careers. I've over the weekend I've done something fairly comprehensive, and I think it's a fairly attractive proposition for you guys. So I made something interesting. So this is part one. Part one, I don't know whether you guys know. All is actually accessible through our website. Twitter. Anybody has used Twitter? You use Twitter, is it? Do you tweet?
Not yet.
You do not tweet. So a tweet is something which is of 140 characters. Okay, you tweet, and the best part of Twitter is that it can be integrated. So any communication which, for example, I'm going to tell people about some new fund offering, I'm going to tell people about some new product, some new job opening in the whatever. So as we go along, we'll be having hundreds and thousands of customers, right? Hopefully, whatever. So therefore, if I or anybody, I mean, we can always give Twitter accounts to others also. We do a tweet. This is a Twitter handle, okay? You can see all the tweets. For example, Amitabh Bachchan tweeted on Aishwarya Rai's pregnancy. The way he announced the news to the world was through a tweet. Do you guys know that? Correct? Excellent. So this is where you can see our tweets. It's there on our website also, right? And in case you want to comment on the tweet and you want to follow, you can always log in to follow. The best part is when I tweet, it automatically goes into Facebook as well. There is a link which goes to Facebook. So here the tweet itself you can see on Facebook. The same way, it goes onto our Facebook page. There are two Facebook. One is our Facebook account, Newsfeed it's called. The other one is called Facebook Wall. There is a eLakshya wall. It goes into the eLakshya wall as well, right? Then it also goes directly into Google Bus. Google Bus is equivalent of Facebook, which Google does. It's a competition of Facebook, which Google as well. So it goes to Google Buzz also. So the minute anybody tweets, it goes into Twitter, it goes into Facebook, it goes into Google Buzz. It also goes into LinkedIn. Okay. Now, YouTube, we put videos. For example, this video goes to YouTube and I'll upload it. The minute it goes to a YouTube video, automatically it goes into Twitter saying that video has been uploaded. It also goes into Facebook. It also goes into the YouTube videos itself. Now, our entire set of YouTube videos, if you want to see at one go, this is the ID. It's all there in es22.com. es22.com, you just need to go. In fact, there are a few other things in es22.com which I would want you guys to start using. First thing, I would want you guys to start following twitter.satishan1. I would want you guys to enlist people who use Facebook. Enlist this particular ID as a friend or whatever, no, connect friend, something like that. I would want you guys to, in case any of you has LinkedIn accounts. Anyone has LinkedIn accounts? I think you should get a LinkedIn account whenever you guys are free. You should connect to me at LinkedIn. In the same way, I'm sure all of you have got Google accounts. So open your Google Buzz and connect to our profile in Google. The best part of this, I was just showing Junaid the other day. For the last 1.5 years, as we started our IT initiative, whatever has been happening, all the tweaks which I've had. See, I have not done tweeting in the last 4 months. Once you guys came in, I've not tweeted. But before that, we were doing a lot of tweets. So all the tweets, all our videos, starting from the tweet videos of past, everything. I mean, when you say more, it will come as a long, big page. I was showing Junaid that. You just go into profiles.google.com, which is on our website only. It will become some 100 pages. If you go from the bottom till here, all our tweets, all our videos, everything will come in automatically here. So this I just wanted to show you because this is I told you last time. No, one is our internal communication will happen through SMS. Our external materials will happen through NB. Our internal materials will happen through B2B. Our external messages will happen through this medium. There are 4 of them, right? Internal material, it is B2B. External material is NB. Material means documents and all that. Okay, internal materials is B2B, external material is NB. Internal messages and communication is through SMS. External messages and communication is through all these. Okay, I mentioned this in the previous video and again I am repeating so that it's important. Okay. The second part of this video fairly interesting and important. And I'll just give you the quick background. And I'm sorry for going back and forth, but I just realized there is one word in English which was happening these 2-3 months that you guys have been around, or 3-4 months. Have you guys heard of this word? What is the meaning of ad hoc? Quickly, we are on video, yeah? What's the meaning of ad hoc? Lot of ad hocism is happening. What is ad hoc? Nobody has heard this word before, is it? Yeah, I mean, your guys' English is as good as me, yeah? Or as bad as me? Have you heard of this word? I didn't want that to happen. I mean, we have a. Have you ever heard of this word? Have you heard of this word? You know that this is absolutely opposite to this. When your professor or somebody gives you a rating, which is generally as per his mind, that is what is ad hoc. You do not know exactly where your rating comes from, how it comes from, what is the system he has used. Nothing. Suddenly, I mean, he likes you, so he gives you a A grade. He doesn't like you, so he gives you a C grade. That is called ad hocism. That's one kind of ad hocism. The other kind of ad hocism is when your prof is, I mean, I'm giving example of prof because you just come out of your college and all. There's into other examples. One day in your family you say something, the other day you say something else, the third day you say something else. So that is also ad hocism. And I realized, honestly speaking, that a lot of ad hocism has been happening in the last 2-3 months. I mean, not ad hocism not in terms of our fulfillment of the commitments, but ad hocism in terms of the commitments. I mean, 1 week there is a particular incentive structure, the other week there is a particular incentive structure. Again on Saturday I have a meeting saying that look, we will do it on a monthly basis, this basis, that basis. So a lot of ad hocism is there, and because of this ad hocism and arbitrariness, there is a lot of confusion. You guys agree with me? There is confusion. Having said that, there is confusion, and maybe our SMS page is sort of reducing the confusion in case people see SMS, but still there has been confusion and stuff like that. Okay. I just want to complete the previous week before I proceed on this, because I want to, and in the meantime, anyway, previous week, yeah. Our man gets incentives for 3 weeks now, 3 weeks of the work that he has done, and as per my commitment. Ad hocism is there, but that commitments are being kept up, correct, no? I still haven't got the gift for her yet. These are incentives, correct? Which is 25% more than the highest incentives which people have earned. Okay, right. Now, yeah, I also needed to pay conveyance for people. So I'll do it immediately after this video. Okay, whatever. Is there anything else pending from my side? Is there anything else pending? Okay, if there's there might be something pending. So I'll tell you the decision clearly. One is, for the last week there is I announced that there would be a special gift for Shweta for whatever little she has done. But for the others there is no incentive at all. There is nowhere close to the figures that people have reached, and therefore there is no incentive. There is nothing for last week. Am I clear? Okay. We also discussed that we will henceforth do incentives on a monthly basis. Fair enough. Okay. Now a few things came about, and I just want your attention on this, please, because I don't want ad hocism. I want complete clarity. On one hand, there is, okay, what is it that let's say, what is it that elites and trainees and whatever, I mean, what is it that you people, the employees want? This is what employees want. Okay, what is it that the company wants? Let's look at a model. I was just thinking, let's look at a model which is beneficial for everybody, and obviously, I mean, I've put something very attractive for all you guys, keeping the company also in mind, and believe me, it's fairly attractive, whatever. And the first thing it's trying to do is, it will try to eliminate ad hocism. Whatever model I propose now and a model I put now, it is cast in stone. Have you heard of this word, cast in stone? It will be cast in stone, which means that we will never ever change it. Okay, and it will be put in. It is already put in B2B. B2B sheet I is already there, and people can see at any point of time. Okay, the model which is there is already cast in stone. It's not ad hoc, and it is absolutely transparent. There is absolute transparency here. It's complete black and white. There is no confusion whatsoever. Okay, and as much as possible, I always talk about this model, no? So sometimes it's difficult, but as much as possible, I've tried to keep it simple and straight. See, in the world, no, the best part of things in the world. Have you guys seen your mobile plans? You guys go buy prepaid mobile plans while buying your mobile this thing? Normally they don't keep it simple and straight because they cannot do it. It has to be complex for them to make money. For you guys also to see value, they have to make money. So there is a, let's say there is a, what do I say? There is an advantage of this. There's also a disadvantage of this. There's also a huge disadvantage of keeping it simple and straight. Because they say no, there is a saying in English, no, what? The same basket, the same pocket does not fit all sizes, something like that. Some English saying is there. So, like that, keeping it simple and straight has its advantages for people to easy to understand. But it also has disadvantages because it can, different people might have different choices and different, it can be customized and more complexity can be built in. For example, mobile plan. But I have gone by this rule. I wanted to keep it simple and straight for people to understand. I thought that was more important than looking at interest. At the same time, I also said that I've gone by this. I'll tell you what this means. I would want to give each person a choice. Why everybody in the same bracket? Why, for example, what Shweta wants might be different from what Sangeeta wants and what Shinju wants. Their requirement and their constraint might be different. So I wanted to keep it simple and straight. I also wanted to give each of you guys a choice. Okay, I'll tell you where I'm coming from. What is it that the elites want? Some people, for example, want more and more and more and more of training programs. Training. Some people do not, are okay with. Now there are 4 kinds of training. If I may, one is external product training. What is external product training? Where you have, for example, the product training which happened by Max Bopa is an example of an external product training. Okay. There is something called external skills training. For example, the training which happened by iPro is a skills training, external skills training. Okay. There is something called internal product training. Internal product training is an example. For example, is just take the phone and quickly cut it because you are on video. You can ask them to call back. And the 4th one is internal skills and other training. Okay. Tell them we'll call back. I gave an example of.
Madam, hello, listen. You just call me after 1 hour, okay? We are in the
Take a number and we'll call back. Just give me a number, I'll call you back.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
Instead of expecting people to call back, you take down the number for whatever it is. You have the number, the person's number.
Neha Zulfa Network, she's coming.
Yeah?
Neha Zulfa Network. She's coming. She has been bad luck.
No problem. Okay, so I have to give each person a choice as well. Yeah, I said the 4 kinds of trainings are there. I gave examples of this. Internal skills training. Okay, internal product training is what all the training programs which have happened by our, right, starting from Shaji to the Apollo people to the Max Boa, all those are internal product trainings, correct? Now there is also something called internal skills and other training. I have not yet given any internal skills training, but I was talking about it when we had gone for our picnic, in case some of people remember. I really want to do a course on ERI, exploration into roles and things like that. So these are the kind. So some people, for example, Shweta wants a lot of training, whereas Sasha might not want training and she would want to rather focus on her job, or she's not keen or whatever. That's one particular thing. What is it? So this is what you want. What is it for the company? I mean, how does the company get impacted? The company gets impacted, obviously, opportunity cost of your training programs. There is a conveyance cost which has to be borne by. There is a cost of your time which has to be borne by, and there is, for more than the time, what also happens? Just think about it. No, I mean, you guys come in and Sangeeta was very tired after the training program. She just could not focus on getting back to work. It was more on. So there is an opportunity cost there. So we also need to look at the company's interest in mind. Second is, till now, I mean, you guys are doing so many things, so there was confusion and all. But I think for you guys, and my God, power is gone. Huh? No power. This will run, no? Yeah, this will run. So why don't you put this on, light on, somebody? Let's come back. Take. As soon as it goes off, just insert that thing so that the light comes on. Yeah? So you guys also need clarity in terms of what exactly you need to do. Okay. What is it that you need to achieve for the month? And if you achieve X, what do you get? If you don't achieve, what do you get? What are they? So clarity is required. Okay, now along with that, there is a thing. This there has to be no ad hocism here. Okay. For the more work you put, the more efficient you are, the more better your performance is, the more every which way. There is a stipend and incentive which has to get better and better with every additional unit of work. And we have been, till now we have been fairly ad hoc. Something I've said, on Saturday again I said something, previous week, I mean weekly incentives were happening, different things. And then in the middle of the week on Thursday I come and put the ball closer to the mouth and say, hey, take this ball. All those things I do, no? Correct? So I wanted to reduce that, I mean, or eliminate that ad hocism by first putting 100, then putting 80, then showing it like this. So all that thing I wanted to eliminate. So, but at the same time, people should be able to get the incentives and stipend and all that. Okay. The most important clarity, which is on your career path, your clear data, all that. Okay. For example, I mean, Shweta came back to me on Saturday evening and said, look, hey, I am not bothered about the money or pay or whatever it is. I am just not bothered about it. I want clarity, and I mean, I want to be placed by so and so date, and I want complete clarity on that. So these are some of the. So you guys also need obviously clarity, right? Alternatively, the thing for the company is there is a cost which has been involved in till now, which has been involved in training. There is an opportunity cost in further and further training. There is a issue where a better performance will give rise to better rewards. However, look at it on the opposite side. If somebody is just not performing, if somebody is just not, I mean, if there is an average performance expected of somebody, right? Something to something, some units to some units. Let's say, for example, I can give any example. Let's say I am expecting as a parent for you to score 50% marks. I'm not expecting, I mean, that's a minimum. I'm saying 50% marks to get at the minimum. If you get above 50% marks, I'm going to give you incentives, I'm going to get rewarded or whatever it is. And I'm going to put you through whatever college you want. I'm going to give you all kinds of rewards. I'm going to give you a bike, I'm going to give you a car, all those things as a parent. I will tolerate, and this is a minimum I'm expecting. I'm not like other parents, I'm expecting only this is a minimum. I can tolerate maximum, I mean, I cannot tolerate underperformance, but I can still tolerate up to you are scoring 40% or something like that. Let's say, for example, just give me an example. But supposing as a child, you get even less than 40%. Okay? Then, I mean, I'll tell you, that's what my father did. I'm giving you a real life example. He just cut me off. I mean, I was such a bad student, okay? So, the minute I failed he just cut me off. Cut me off means what? You do what you want here. I'm not paying your college fees here. Obviously, they'll do it, no? Yes or no? So, if this is a minimum which somebody expects, and if people come back with a score of less than that, it means that they have just wasted their time. And not only they wasted their time, they wasted others' time, they wasted my time, they wasted the company's time, they wasted the company's resources in terms of, there is a resource which is there. I know it's not a great office, but still there is a resource, right? So why those people are called, or those instances are called? Have you heard of this word? Free boarding. Okay, so we obviously do not want people to not do free boarding, but also to at least do the minimum barest expected, correct? So therefore, along with stipend and incentive, in case of extremely negligible performance, there will also be a same approach, carrot and stick approach, which is telling you guys all through. I just wanted no anarchism. I mean, there to be complete clarity. Okay. One more small thing. Of course, I said training. Training, so especially for internal skills, which I am going to do, there will also be a training cost. Whether it's in the form of us doing internally, or whether we have external people come and do the training, there will be a training cost. So that is something which the company has to bear in mind as far as you guys are concerned. Okay. Added to the training cost is there is something called. There are two things which I had committed to you guys, and these are two things which are very important, relevant in our respective in our field. It is called AMFI and RIDA. Okay. These two are certifications or qualifications. In fact, I saw one of you guys looking at the CFP. CFP, any idea what is CFP? Certified
Financial Planner.
Okay. What is CFP? Can you say what it means?
Certified Financial.
Correct. So in the certified financial planner is something which happens over 2 years. I would not be able to offer that certified financial planner course, and it's a course which costs about 50k and that kind of stuff. It's a very, very long course. However, these two qualifications are fairly smaller qualifications which I had told you guys, and there's a process for that as well. Those that can be given to people based on whatever. So therefore, what I have done is I have made a very attractive kind of this thing. I mean attractive, and also taking all these points into consideration, looking at everything, and it is put in black and white in B2B. Okay, and every month the only thing which will change is the targets which you have for the month. Everything else will be the same. And I'm also giving people a choice in terms of choosing any plan that they want. It's like you take a mobile phone and you don't need to take a same kind of prepaid plan. No, take any kind of plan. Correct. Some plans will have more talk time, less number of SMS. Some plans will have less talk time but more SMS. Some plans will have night calling, all those things, no? The same way, but I also kept it simple and straight, only 3 plans are there. Okay. So there is this plan which covers this whole thing, which is there in B2B. Just take a look at it. You guys will be able to go to B2B right now. Okay, spend about 20 minutes on the plans. Okay, and after 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I think we should close it out in 20-25 minutes time. Come back to me and say which plan you want to go into. Okay, and we will immediately implement that. Am I clear? Any of you guys, any plan is perfectly fine on this. Okay, now this is the second thing which I wanted, because this actually happened after, Shweta very clearly pointed out, look here, for me money is not important, that's not the criteria. For me the criteria is more in terms of my being able to be placed in MNC and whatever. So that's where it started, but then I decided, and then ad hocism, this, that, all those things were in my mind for 1 week, 2 weeks. Again and again every week we are putting some structure, there is confusion, there is lot of confusion between what my communication is and what people are perceiving. There is perhaps people not getting the message right because 30%, 40% this thing is happening, or maybe the people who are doing well are not being incentivized. Whatever, all those, and the cost of training. So many, and plus people wanting more training, which is what you presented communication again. No, that I want to go for this Friday training. So therefore, to cover everything, to cover all possibilities, and to be just for everybody, I have put up a plan and take a look at the plan. And all you need to do at the end of the whole thing is to come back to me and tell me which particular plan you guys would want to go into, and that will be implemented. That's it. Am I clear? Excellent. Great. So I just wanted to take these 2 points as far as today is concerned, and once we close this, then I just have a small request. I know it's because one more thing. Once I put people into various plans, each of you, please believe me. Please get me communication very clear on this. Each of you, because you choose a plan, okay, and go on that plan. Each of you have a complete right. Complete right. For example, if I give Sangeeta any work other than her plan, whatever her work is, you have a complete right to come and say that I will not do any other work. Okay, because the work you do for the plan for that month determines your future. It determines your incentives, it determines your penalty, it determines everything, whatever. So, if at all I give a work which is different from the work which is there for that month, then you have a complete right to not do it for me. Understanding what I am saying? So, for example, if I give Sangeeta some computer work, some scanning work which is different from her, what is her work? Her work, example, I mean, since we decided that her work is only out of hospital. That's the only work she has. If I give her some scanning work which is different out of work, she has every right to come and say, no, I am not going to do it. It's going to affect me. I need to get as much incentives as possible. At the same time, if I do less than your 40-30%, then you are going to penalize me. Therefore, sorry, I will not do it. I will focus only on my work and do it. Clear, no? Same thing for you guys also. So before that, the only thing which I request of you guys before we set this in place is that 300. I think it's a 1 or 2 hour exercise. Kitna der lagega? Silf aaj. Just completed. So you guys are doing that, no? That I just want copies of that to be safely somewhere. So sirf wo khatam karke, by the time I will also get your projects ready. What do you guys need to do, and you can start off. Okay? Is there any other question? No questions? Great. I've tried to make it as fair as possible for everyone. Just look at it and then you can choose which plan you want, and